In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a transparent video in CapCut, step by step, so you can remove the background from your clip and save it in a format that supports transparency. This is super useful if you want to create overlays, stickers, lower thirds, motion graphics, or any kind of cutout video for your edits. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials, just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and import the video you want to turn into a transparent export. Drag your clip onto the timeline so you can start editing it. Once it's on the timeline, click on the clip to select it. Now look for the background removal tools. Depending on your version of CapCut, you may see this under Smart Tools, or you may need to go into the video panel on the right side of the screen and open the Basic section. From there, find the Remove Background option. Click Remove Background and then choose Auto Removal. CapCut will analyze your clip and automatically isolate your subject from the background. This is the key step, because the goal here is to keep only your main subject and remove everything behind it. Once the background is removed, take a second to check your timeline carefully. This is very important. Make sure there are no background colors, no images, no extra overlays, and no template layers sitting underneath your subject. If there is anything underneath, it may show up in the final export and ruin the transparent effect. If needed, delete or hide any extra layers so that only your isolated subject remains visible. You want the canvas to be clean, with nothing behind the cutout video. After that, it's time to configure your export settings. Go to the top right corner and click Export. In the Export window, look for the File Format options. To preserve transparency, you need to choose a format that supports it, such as MOV or WebM. This part matters a lot because not every export format keeps transparency. If you choose the wrong format, CapCut may flatten the background and you could lose the transparent effect. So make sure you double-check that you are exporting as MOVU or WebM before finishing. Also review any other export settings you may have, such as resolution, frame rate or quality, so your video exports in the best possible quality for your project. Once everything looks correct, click Export to finish and save your file. CapCut will render the video and export it with a transparent background preserved, ready for you to use in your next edit. And that's it! You've now learned how to export a transparent video in CapCut. It's a simple process, once you know where the right tools and export formats are. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tips and tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you want more easy editing guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.